using massage therapy balls to release the calves and the hamstrings. You can take one therapy ball and use it on each side, placing it right between your calf and your hamstring, and sit on it. I will tell you, this is very intense, so if you're doing this technique, be really gentle with yourself and only provide a little bit of compression with that body weight, especially as you get down to the tendon area. It can be quite intense. It's nice because it gets deep into the hamstring muscle, as well as the center of the gastroc muscle. As you can see, I'm not spending a lot of time there. I'm not going to sit on it and hold it because that's too intense for most people. Just going to give that compression a couple of seconds and move on. Following this, it's a great time to do your stretch of the hamstrings and calves. A great stretch would be, of course, downward facing dog to release the back of the calves and the back of the hamstrings.